toasted almonds and caramelized sugar. The unmistakable smell in Christmas markets. Thanks to some foolproof tricks, I'll show you how to prepare a perfect almond crunch. Let's see together how it's done. Let's start with the almonds. I'll toast them in the oven at 190 degrees. These are peeled almonds. I spread them a bit and into the oven. I just have time to take care of the caramel. Start with sugar. I pour it in a stainless steel pan, not a non-stick one, and then add honey, which is the perfect substitute for glucose. We need a sugar other than sucrose that can reach high temperatures without burning. And finally, few drops of lemon juice, used to avoid crystallizing the sugar. I turn on the stove and start mixing just long enough to blend the ingredients. Good, the mixture has changed the consistency and it is time to add the kitchen thermometer, because I have to measure the temperature. The caramel must reach 140 degrees. Here we have reached 130 degrees. I'll take the almonds back and pour them, still hot, in the pot. I keep stirring, and at this point the temperature must reach 170 degrees. Perfect! We got the right temperature, so I immediately move the caramel with almonds in a baking dish that I've already lined with parchment paper. And I'll spread it right away with a spatula. Now our crunch needs to cool down properly, so leave it aside, then we can cut it. At this point I know your concern is how to detach the caramel from the bottom of the pot. Just add some water and bring it to a boil, and the pot and tools will return as good as new. Did you see it wasn't hard to make almond crunch together? I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you can find doses, ingredients and the step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, please leave us a nice like. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Oh, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all the news. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.